last time we were together as an industry, we talked a lot about growth and scaling, and the conversation has definitely shifted. It's about training, it's about culture and people, and it's also about how can we be more efficient as an industry, looking at things like automation to drive results.
In the car wash industry, I think with the technology that we have now, a lot of AI, it's going to be a lot more useful for a lot of customers. I can't wait to see what we have, but the car wash is going in a great direction right now.
I think all of the solutions that are going to be seen in the car wash in 10 years are going to be built around data, interpreting the data and putting on platforms that are low cost and make sense based on sensors that are available at that time.